we are at the Joe and Seph popcorn factory in a secret location, and we're going to do a full tour. We're going to check out everything. We're going to make our own flavours, and we're going to go wild. It's going to be great. It's going to be great.
I don't think it matters. Just put it on your head.
I just want to look pretty.
There are 7 stages to popcorn making overall, and we're going to be running through them while we're here at the factory.
Oh my god. That is a lot of popcorn.
The first step is to actually pop the popcorn. Joe and Seph use a special popcorn called the mushroom popcorn, which puffs out completely rather than the popcorn we see in supermarkets, which pops out into 2 halves. Then we add our flavourings and ingredients. Then we combine with caramel and mix it up.
Quite how handmade the process is, but what it does is it ensures that every single piece of popcorn has that full coating. If you were to use a machine, only part of the popcorn will be coated, or you might get a bit of flavour on each piece. What we really want is you to be able to eat one piece of popcorn and get all the taste, and that's what Caroline's doing.
Then we bake in the oven, and then to make sure it stays crispy after the oven, we take it out and cool it down on the counter surfaces. And that's it.
The important thing here is to ensure that this will come out much sooner than it normally would.
So we're now getting to try this super fresh salted caramel popcorn. Super warm.
As it cools down, we'll actually go even crisper.
We're chewy.
So this is.
So we're now moving through 5 different flavours. We're doing a taste test, blind taste test. What have we got here, Dom?
Berries.
Let's go for strawberries and cream.
Strawberries
and cream. Strawberries and cream? It's a mess. Cheesecake.
And help yourselves to popcorn on your way out. Right.
So we have just finished our tour of the Joe and Seph popcorn factory. So cool, really simple process, but they do everything by hand and they're exported to so many countries, so many great flavours. I'm excited to try. We've got a goodie bag packed with stuff. We've got the goat's cheese and peppercorns. I'm excited. It was really good. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.